Good afternoon, sir. Today I will be talking about nanotechnology, cause and effect. Introduction. Nanotechnology is the science and engineering of manipulating matter at the nanoscale 1 to 100 nanometers. At this tiny scale, quantum mechanics dominate, opening the door to breakthrough in medicine, agriculture, energy, and more. Historical of nanotechnology. Richard Feynman introduced the idea of controlling atoms and molecules in 1959. The effects, scientists began exploring nanoscience. Norio Taniguchi coined the term nanotechnology in the 1970s. The effect, the field became formally recognized. How small is nanoscale? 1 nanometer is equivalent to 1 billion of a meter. At this scale, materials gain new properties not seen at the macro level. Methods of nanomanufacturing. So first is bottom-up fabrication. The cause, building from atoms and molecules. Effect, produces prices materials with little waste. Next is top-down fabrication. The cause, cutting down larger materials into nanoscale. Effect, produces nanoscale structures but with more waste. Application in the Philippines. Ito yung magagamit in real life. So first is ICT and semiconductors, health and medicine, energy, food and agriculture, and last is environment. Benefits and concerns. So first is environment. The cost is nanotech used in cleaning, detection, and new materials. Effect, better contaminant removal, cleaner processes. Concern, higher activity, possible toxicity, and lack of regulation. Next is health, cause nanotech applied to medicine and treatments. Effect, improved drug delivery and healthcare. Concern, nanoparticles can enter cells. No FDA approval required for cosmetics or supplements. Last, economy. Cause, nanotech drives innovation in industries. Effect, better products, new jobs, global competitiveness. Concern is wealth redistribution issues, cleanup cost, and unequal access to technology. So in conclusion, nanotechnology is proof of how science can change lives by working with the smallest building blocks of matter. It brings opportunities in health, energy, environment, and the economy, but its success depends on responsible use, safety regulations, and equal accessibility. So that's all. Thank you.